In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure your Slack channels. First, open Slack in your browser or desktop app and sign in to your workspace. Once you're in, take a moment before creating anything to plan your structure. A clear plan prevents channel sprawl and helps everyone know where conversations belong. Think about your organization's main themes, company-wide updates, departments or teams, projects with start and end dates, ongoing functions like support, and a small set of social or culture spaces. Decide which should be public for transparency and which should be private for sensitive work. Next, define channel types and their purposes. For example, announcements are one way, team channels are for day-to-day collaboration, project channels are temporary and focused, help channels are for questions and FAQs, and social channels build community. Make it explicit what belongs in each type so people don't guess. Now settle on naming conventions. Keep names short, lowercase, and separated by hyphens for readability. Use consistent prefixes so channels naturally group together in the sidebar. Common patterns include ANNC Company for announcements, Team Design for departments, Proj Launch Q1 for projects, Help It for support, and Social Book Club for fun. If location or product lines matter, include those as prefixes too. Consistency saves time and reduces duplicate channels. Give each channel a clear topic and description that communicate its purpose and what success looks like. In the description, include scope, who should join, and what to post versus what not to post. Pin a brief welcome message with guidelines and any key resources like docs or dashboards so newcomers ramp up quickly. When you're ready to create, open the sidebar, click the three dots next to channels, choose create, and select channel. Enter the name, add the description, choose public or private, and invite the right people. Don't over-invite. Start with the core group, then expand as needed. To streamline onboarding, set default channels that new members join automatically, such as announcements, help general, and an introduction space. This ensures everyone sees essential updates and knows where to ask questions from day one. Use admin tools for workspace-wide management. Here you can review and standardize names, set policies for who can create public channels, and ensure critical channels are discoverable. This keeps your workspace tidy as you grow. Finally, remember you can click any channel's name to open details. From there, update the topic and description, manage members, adjust notifications, and connect relevant integrations. With this structure in place, your Slack becomes clearer, faster, and far easier to navigate.